Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. If you don't know me, my name is Kajal and I make videos on makeup, beauty, fashion, lifestyle एंड मच ये वीडियो जो है मैं बहुत टाइम से ट्राई कर रही थी बनाने का बट नागपुर का वेदर इतना ज़्यादा यू नो एकदम गर्म इतना हो रहा था लाइक गर्मी इतनी थी कि आई जस्ट कांट शूट अ लॉन्ग वीडियो। ना मेरा फ़ोन साथ दे रहा था ना ये गर्मी साथ दे रही थी। सो थंबनेल आपने देख लिया है। आज मैं ध्वनि भानुशाली का एक लुक रिक्रिएट करने वाली हूँ। लुक नहीं है वो ग्राम वीडियो ऐसा बना रहे हैं। सो आई थॉट कि लेट्स डू दिस एंड ऑल्सो ये जो वीडियो का टॉपिक इन द सेंस बोल सकते हैं ये मुझे ना डेनी से आया था एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने सोचा था कि मैं उनका ही लुक ट्राई करूँगी बट क्या हुआ कि मैंने ट्राई किया बट आधे इसमें लाइक मेरे से वो लुक इतना बिगड़ गया कि लाइक मेरा मूड ही ऑफ हो गया एंड मैंने किया ही नहीं फिर वो।
Hi guys, this is Dhwani and get ready with me for an everyday makeup routine. Are you ready? So starting off with some skincare, I usually do like a vitamin C.
So she's using skincare, so I thought मैं भी मॉइस्चराइजर अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ and I just forget to wear earrings, so I think this.
Shake it a little bit so it's active. It's a lot. Put a little bit on your palms, rub it. I feel like I have a very weird way of putting things on my face. And this whole video is going to make me like really nervous, but I'm going to try and show you everything that I do. And like for years, this is not like something that I picked up like yesterday and today I've added like a step. This is what I do every day. So this is vitamin C and then this is like a drugstore product which is recommended by.
I am so clumsy. I'm really watching a video and doing some things. मैंने earrings पहनने के वक्त उसका जो होता है ना क्या कहते हैं वो भी मैं भूल चुकी हूँ। सो जो earrings का ये होता है ना वो मैंने पीछे वाला उसका गिरा दिया। देन जो मैं इयरिंग्स जिसमें रखती हूँ वो डब्बे का ढक्कन गिरा दिया। देन मैं पानी लेके बैठी हूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट ड्रिंक मच वाटर, तो मैं पानी लेके बैठी हूँ। मैंने मेकअप का चीज़ें रखने की जगह वो गिरा दिया। I am super clumsy. पानी पी ले.
Which is recommended by my dermat, and since I have skin that's quite acne prone, I usually listen to her because that's what you should do. You should listen to your doctor. So apply like a pea-size amount and then rub it over your face like you would. Cool. And then we use some sunscreen because you got to protect your skin. Oops. So 1, 2, and 3. Like a 3-line rule. But I do it on the days where I feel that my skin is like extra dry because I've got combination skin and it behaves differently every single day. I don't know why.
I have oily skin, but like मेरा जो टी जोन है वो most of the time oily रहता है and ये वाला part dry रहता है. So I think I have also combination skin.
We know how to take care of it. Okay, so starting off with, and of course don't forget your lips.
She is using
Gel?
eyebrow gel, kind of, but I don't have that one, so I am just using eyebrow pencil. Also, I don't need so much, as you can see my eyebrows.
अच्छे लग रहे हैं, not bad. Then we go ahead with like a tinted moisturizer. I already did a moisturizer, but because like I said, I'm feeling very dry today, so I'm gonna do a tinted moisturizer, which also is amazing. It's
And ये इसका जो shade है, it's exactly my shade. So मैं इसको मेरे moisturizer के साथ mix कर लूँगी. So it will be a tinted moisturizer. And as you can see, हमारा tinted moisturizer is ready. She is using a flat blending brush, flat foundation brush. Use this mask one.
I'd love to put it by the hand, but I picked up the brush, so here we go. And I think I need more, so let's just scan the brush, bro. It's not working out. We don't have a good relationship.
He is also using now uska hand, so I will just use that. Wow.
So I took some more and then I'm just going to like make some dots. So like I have this childhood memory of stealing my mother's makeup and putting it in the back of my cycle, and she used to constantly keep finding it. And one fine day she found all her creams in the back of my cycle. Like the only person I used to share the secret with was my dad. So like this one day when she found everything, she had us both stand and we were really yelled at. And there was this one more day where I broke all her makeup. Just not out of spite, but like it just fell off my hand and she got really pissed. So I think my mother and I have had a very love-hate relationship with the makeup that she owned and I couldn't use. And I always wanted to use her sindoor as a lipstick, but I didn't know that it'll just like, it'll tie your lips up and pura gum jaisa ho jayega. So एक बार मैंने लगा ली थी और फिर मेरे होठ खुल ही नहीं रहे थे पूरा दिन में। आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, मैंने इतने कारनामे किए हैं बड़े होते होते। इट्स नॉट, आई मीन आई थिंक मैं बहुत मम्मी को परेशान किया, बट she was really there for me and eventually she taught me. So I use these two colors as color correctors because I feel like they match my skin just perfect. It's Peach and Dark Peach by Bobbi Brown.
So she's using color corrector. Let's use. And she's using peach one. So as I am a makeup artist, I will appreciate that, because don't use orange color corrector. Just use a peach shade, or just 1 to 2 tone darker, or just you don't have a peach shade, so just take a orange color corrector and add little bit of concealer and just mix it. And as you can see, it's turned into a peach color.
I started using makeup very late. I started using makeup. I think it was around the age of 16, 17. Also because my mom said that you don't need so much and that sort of maybe works for the kind of confidence that I have. Like even today if I would walk out of the house without anything on my face, just because I think that, you know, my skin is just flawless and it's beautiful, and I feel like every girl should sort of have that about themselves. But what happened was
Let me know in comments कि आप बिना मेकअप लगाए जा सकते हो क्या? मैं तो जा सकती हूँ. I don't have that, you know, कि मैं मेकअप के बिना अच्छी दिखूंगी.
So the color correction is done, and now we're going to go with the concealer. So I put a little bit, which is like this. A little bit of malai and a little bit of besan. I think I mixed it and then I put it on my face with a little bit of haldi, I think, but then not too much haldi because then it can stain your skin. But otherwise my skin behaves. I mean, that's what I said, right? Like I feel like too much skincare and too much of makeup is just not something that works with me, and I try to avoid as much. I try to just sort of, even when I do makeup, it's like pretty minimal. So like you'll see that I finish it like pretty quickly. Like I just conceal and then I put like a tinted moisturizer. I'll do like my eyes and my eyebrows. I really believe that, you know, your eyebrows can sort of like change how you look on a particular day. Your whole face, I mean, it's that's the game, dude. So you got to really decide what kind of eyebrows you want to decide the way you want to look. Get it? Alright. It gives you some sort of like, it'll blur out, it'll give you like a blur effect, and your skin will look like a Paris filter on Instagram. I don't know how to say it, like better than that. So I put it here on like my T-zone and where I've got like a little bit of pores.
She using a primer. Color correcting, she using primer. I thought I am wrong, but I don't know. Let's use a primer. this is the bad idea. After concealing, I can't use I'm nothing. Or I just use a wow. I invented a hack. ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से लगा रही हूँ मैं टाइमर.
Moving on now, we can do a little bit of bronzing.
Really like I am dumb or she don't know makeup, because after primer she's using powder contour. I know her face is dry, her skin is dry, but still on creamy product you don't supposed to use powder product. It will create a patch. Now I stuck. मैं क्या करूँ?
So I make like an arrow sort of a thing, like a boomerang, and then I go on my jawline.
She used brown one. I used the black one. This is Blue Evans, and it's really smudge proof.
I've blended it out quite a bit, so because I just wanted like a hint of it, and I might also put it under my, like a little bit on the side. Cool. So this, I swear by it. I swear to God, you put one dot here, and one dot on your lip, and oh my God, it is amazing. So if you only use these two products and get out of the house, I think you'll look like $1 million. I usually use my hands for like literally everything. So I'm gonna blend it out, put a little bit on my nose.
Now she's using a kajal, so I will use the Blue Evans.
Bang, fab. Did you see, like, can you see the difference? Like, you can see all my lashes now with just one coat. Yep, that's it. What is left? Oh, guys, I have to tell you about this beautiful tester that I got. And यार ये कितना डस्ट करता है, एक मिनट. Yuck. But it's beautiful, trust me. So the places you think are like really shiny and you wanna go ahead. And it shall be a good one. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. We finally come to
तो लेट मी नो इन कमेंट बिलो कि कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं. If you like this video, just like it, comment it and subscribe. And also you can follow me on Instagram. And also if you are confused between which shade you should buy, so you can see this video over right here, and this video will help you a lot. So just go and watch this video. Okay, bye bye.